Now, I know that you want to get your 4,000 watch hour before the time frame that is 365 days, and it's very, very difficult. I can swear to you, YouTube is very difficult. But now I've gotten a hack that works perfectly to getting your 4,000 watch hour in just 7 days. Yes, in just 7 days, you are going to get your 4,000 watch hour this fast because I tested it on my student channel and it worked perfectly in 7 days. She got over 600 watch hours. She do it like this again and again, she's going to get to 3,000 watch hour in no time. Yes, if you're having a faceless channel, you can also inculcate this method into your channel. Any of the channel that you are using, you can inculcate this method. It's very safe than the other type of app that we know about. That's the Restream, the OBS. You are not going to use anybody's content. You are just going to use Google and you are going to use your YouTube app. Yes, these two things. That is what you are going to use to get your 4,000 watch hour on time, and you are going to get monetized. Yes, this channel is going to get monetized in the next 3 weeks, and I'm very, very sure of it because she has been going live silently on this app. Now I'm going to show you what you are going to do. You are going to go to your Google and take a very nice picture of the background you are going to use. Yes, because you are going to use that picture as a background, as a green screen at the background. Yes, so once you've selected any type of picture that resonates with you, that resonates with your channel or resonates with your niche, then when you are done with saving that picture, either you save it horizontally or vertically. Yes, anyone you wished for is fine. Just save that picture and then let's head to the YouTube app. We're going to go to YouTube app now. You're going to go to your pencil button in your YouTube app. That's the YouTube app. You are not going to the Chrome version, please. You are going to the YouTube app. When you get to your YouTube app, you select live and it's going to load just like this. When it's loading and it's going to tell you, for those that have not verified their channel, if you have not verified your channel, it's going to tell you that it's going to take 24 hours before you go live. But I'm sure that many of us have verified our channel. Even new channels can be verified via email or phone number. Now, once you are done, you are going to see a pencil icon. Yes, it's going to be showing your picture. You're going to see a pencil icon. Don't click next yet. Click on that pencil icon and edit whatever you need to edit first before you go live. Yes, follow this step crucially so that you will not make any mistake while you are live. Yes, you're going to put your title. Put the title that you love your viewers, that will catch your viewers to join your live. If you put that title, like, you can put the title silent live streaming. Take a picture of your environment and put it and do this live streaming. It's going to really, really help you. Now you are going to put your banner. You can create a banner from Canva or from Pixel app, anywhere you want to create your banner, create your banner. Then you are going to put your visibility as public because once you have gone live, you cannot change this setting anymore. So your visibility needs to be on public. If it's on unlisted or private and you go live, nobody is going to join that live because the live is private and unlisted. Nobody is going to join the live. A lot of hours on that live and your data is gone. So you're going to select your audience. That is whether it is this life is made for kids or not. That is very crucial to you to please select it. And you are going to select if you are going live with someone. Now in this case, you are not going live with anyone because we are doing a live stream, so we are not going live with anyone, so you can leave that option. Now you are going to put in your description what your life is all about. You are going to put it there. I'm going doing a live stream. This is a silent live stream for those that want to relax, want to see nature. Yes, put it there. Then you're going to put your location if you want. It's optional. Then you schedule this live. No, we're not scheduling this live. We're going public immediately. So we're not scheduling this live. Now, in your advanced setting, you will see allow chat and allow reaction. Yes, allow chat and allow reaction. If you turn this off, you are not going to allow any chat to come in and you're not going to allow reaction. And this is not good because if you allow people to put in reaction and put chat, the live is going to be shared to more people. YouTube is going to recommend that live to more people because there is interaction and chat on your live. Yes, now this option is very, very important. You can see this phone icon here is showing stream horizontally or stream vertically. So if you are a YouTuber and you want to stream vertically, fine. If you want to stream horizontally, it's fine. It's your option. You can choose anyone that you like. Then Before we go to the green screen part, you are going to have to go live first. Yes, you have to go live before we can choose the green screen part. Now you are going to click go live. Before then, you are going to mute your microphone. Mute your microphone, then go live. Once you've gone live, you mute your microphone, you are going to see an option here showing green screen. Click on it and quickly select the picture that you want, that you have already saved on Google, from Google app. Put it there. It's going to show either vertical or horizontally, whatever resolution you have already chosen before is going to show as the green screen. Then remove your face um from the camera. Yes, if you have gone live, please, your face should not show on the camera, so that people, because once you've gone live, it's already reading, people will see your face. And if you don't want people to see your face, then it's fine, remove your face from there and put in the green screen and let your live be reading. For the first day, you might not get a lot of people to join that live, but you need to do it consistently. You need to do it over and over again before you get people to join that live. They will join your live if you put a very good and catchy picture or video that will resonate with your audience. Yes, put a very good put a very good picture, then they'll join your live. Then remember to always turn off your mic. Don't turn off your video, because if you turn off your video, your green screen will be turned off. Turn on your Leave your video turned on and activate your green screen, and you'll see that you get a lot of viewers, because before you can get watch hour, you need to get views. Before you can get watch hour, you need to get views. The amount of people that join your live and view this live will accumulate to the time of watch hour you have. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on how to grow your YouTube channel, and I'll be seeing you in my next video.